All I want to do is see how you would clean up this ketchup spill, all right, off the counter. That's it.
That's it?
Yep, so how would you clean that up normally if no one's watching you?